Finally our setup is ready, and as you can see, so this is the first demonstration with the big bucket. So we have set up the drip lines, we've connected the drip tape, we've connected it to the tap. So here we have the tap. So what you have to do as a farmer when you want to irrigate your crops, what you have to do is just come here and open the taps. So if you open the tap, you can hear the water has started flowing. So you just open the taps and then you will see the water starts coming. Like here you see this is the first hole. You see the holes, the way the water is coming. It just goes on like that. You see these other ones. The water is already coming out so nicely. You can see the water is now dripping. So you have to plant your plant at this particular point so that it gets the water. You can hear the flow of water already from this pipe. You can feel that the gravity is enough to make the water flow. So let me move up to the last point, so where we have our end cap, just to show you that the water has enough gravity to get to the end. So if you look here, this is where we have our end cap. This is the end. So we're using something like this kind of a clip whereby we are clipping this. So there's this one which is something like this. So it is at the end. You see the gravity is enough. It's flowing all the way from the bucket. You can see the bucket is on the other side, and then it is flowing all the way down up to the end. So if you look at these two lines, it's just flowing so nicely. So this is at the end of it, and it moves all the way to the bucket. So this is the simple system that you can do as a farmer without breaking the bank. So we are also starting to do these kinds of setup. If you need one, we just come to know what size of the farm do you have, and what crops are you going to do, how many drip lines you are going to use per bed. Like this is now what we call a bed. So if you look at this bed, it has 2 drip lines where we are setting this line for demonstration. If you look at the existing drip lines we already had, so these are 3 lines per bed. This is 1 bed with 3, this is 1 bed with 2. And you see the water is flowing so nicely. It's already flowing. So what you do, for example, 1 plant here, another plant here, another plant here, another plant here, another plant here. The interval for this drip tape is 15 centimeters. So this is 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, this is 15 centimeter, all the way to the bucket. So you can believe the water is flowing from the bucket. We've just raised it not high enough, but that height is enough. The water is flowing up to this point. So thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy.